Look at how zoomed out I am. And anyways, we have three standard receptacles and one ground fault circuit interrupting receptacle. These are all completely rotten and can't be used. And it even has a fancy cover. It seems to actually not just shatter. That's odd. Never seen that happen before. I'll chop that later. Ground fault circuit interrupting one that's just completely rusty. And then these other ones. Best condition one is probably not that one. Yeah, whatever. Let's just go right to left. I wish I had something else other than this axe. Look at that, it's so cheap it chops straight through the metal. Hit the concrete. Next one. Next one, this one should be just so high quality. Actually the highest quality of them all so far. It's resisting. Never mind. Last up is the GFCI. Just double check and make sure we're actually recording. Yes, we are. And I really hope those are in frame. They were, but they weren't that centered. That sucks. God damn, look at all that copper in there. This one's actually really tough. What the hell? Yeah, I'm done. It's the end of the receptacles.